Ladies and gentlemen, it's the captain. Hope you've got a pleasant flight. We were ready to commence our descent into Melbourne. We've just been in some holding. Unfortunately, it's a little bit busy in Melbourne this evening. They've just had a couple of runway changes, which just makes the flow of aircraft disrupted a little bit. So unfortunately, we have been put back around about 25 minutes on our landing, which you've probably seen on the maps in front of you. So at this stage, we're showing a landing time, or we're told we'll have a landing time of 11 minutes past 7. Once again, if you're coming from overseas, the time at the moment is coming up at 18 minutes past 6. We'll be landing at 11 minutes past 7. Good news though is that later on, during the approach, great views as we fly out past the city of Melbourne. Awesome views on the right hand side of the aircraft, and it is a very pleasant evening, clear skies and 21 degrees. For those of you coming back home to Melbourne or visiting Melbourne, I'd like to say welcome home.